Got it. Got him. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a big one. What's up, everybody? Derek here, and welcome to the creek. We're at a cool little creek that I have never fished before, but I've gone through. I've seen 6-7 pound bass, 10 to 20 pound catfish. There's what's called plecos, they're like dinosaur fish, and then there's, I call this actually Cichlid Creek because there's so many little green cichlids. They're native to Texas and they're really used for aquariums, but they're so aggressive and they've got teeth like us, so it's kind of weird when you catch them and they got weird chiclets. I don't know, it's weird. But anyways, I got a panfish assassin tied on and we're gonna go down through here and see if we can catch some fish before it comes up to the main river. But we got the kayak, it's ready to go, so we're just gonna float down through here. It's only about 2 or 3 foot deep, so let's get to fishing. There is so much action in here. There's fish downstream that are chasing right now. So much action in here right now, it's crazy. I don't know if I'm gonna have to pull that bobber up any higher. I might pull it up just a little bit. Put it at about a foot. It's really not that deep. I mean, there's fish chasing right there. Oh my gosh. That is a 6-7 pound bass right there. Oh, that was a monster bass. I gotta get over here. This is the weirdest thing I've ever seen. There's a bass and a catfish that went in this hole. There's fish all over here going in these holes. I mean, how far back do those things go? How far back does that thing go in there? Oh my gosh. I gotta check this out. There's a fish right there. What kind of fish is that? Dang. Goes so far back in there. I just keep pushing myself away from it, but oh my gosh, it's like another world under this bank. Cool, that hole goes back that far. That's like 4 foot deep, and I'm sure it goes back even further. There's a bass and a catfish still in there. Cichlids aren't hitting this. Oh, I gotta adjust it though. Not to come off. These cichlids are not hitting this jig head. Alright, I wish I had real worms, but I don't. But I've got something pretty close in here. Let me get it out. Gulp. I got these things that look like worms. Whew, and they stink. So, I took that panfish assassin off. So if I can get a piece of this that's kind of straight. Kind of thread it on there. And we'll see what happens. Got one finally. Oh yeah. That's a good one too. Get over here. Get out of that stuff. Oh. Finally. Dang, look at the size of that one. Oh, that is cool. These fish are so aggressive. Crazy. Man, they are cool looking. Ah, dang, slippery too. Oh, something had it that time. Dang. Oh, there's a cichlid right there. Got it. Got it. Another one. Man, these things put up a fight. Oh, this is awesome. I think that one's even bigger. If I can get over here. Oh, yeah. Dang. This one's even bigger. Ugh, they are so slippery. They are so slippery. Man. Ah, stop it. Stop it. This one doesn't really have any teeth. Oh, let go of it. Golly, that hook's got him. There, got it out. This is a big one. I mean, look at the size of that thing. Cool. That's fun. Man, these things put up a fight. There you go, buddy. There you go. That is awesome looking. That's catching them. Dang, I never would have thought. It's like a little turd. Little Ned rig on a bobber. Oh, there's a cichlid kind of moving over towards it. Got something. I don't know what we got. Did we get a little cichlid? Oh no. What is that? That's a, oh gosh. Don't get me lying to you. Long ear maybe? Anyways. Not a bad one. At least we caught something right there, but there's a bunch of tilapia out there. And I don't know what tilapia eat. Got him! Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a big one. Dang. Ugh. Come here. Whoa, look how wide that one is. Gah. Man, these things freak out. Stop it. Stop it. Okay, got him. Man, look at the size of that one. That was cool. Little bud. Let's let you go. Catching those Rio Grande cichlids is so much fun. I mean, I caught a couple bass. First one I was trying with the Panfish Assassin, but man, this Gulp came through. I'm sure I'm glad I had it because, man, did they really start biting once I put it on that jig head. took that panfish assassin off and put this nasty smelling stuff on there, and they were just let it sit there. And they were coming up nailing it. It's almost similar to like catching red ear. They're good size. I don't know how much they weigh, but they got to be close to 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds. I mean, they were good size cichlids. But let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you guys maybe have caught any of those, because they're not everywhere in the U.S., but where they are fun to catch. But thanks for watching, you guys, and subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.